Hey, if you've been feeling like your energy, mood, or even your weight fluctuates without a clear reason, hormones might be playing a bigger role than you think. The ebook Hormone Balancing Recipes for Women is built around a simple idea. The food you eat can support your body in finding better balance naturally. Instead of complicated diets, this guide focuses on practical recipes designed to include nutrients that help support hormonal health, like healthy fats, fiber, and quality protein. These types of ingredients are often linked to better energy levels, mood stability, and overall well being. Inside, you'll find easy to follow recipes that are created with real life in mind. No extreme rules, no hard to find ingredients, just balanced meals that you can actually prepare and enjoy consistently. What makes this approach valuable is how it simplifies everything. Rather than guessing what to eat, you get a clear direction on how to build meals that support your body, especially during times when hormonal changes can affect how you feel day to day. This kind of structure can help reduce stress around food, improve consistency, and make healthy eating feel more natural instead of forced. It's also very practical. Many hormone supportive meal plans are designed to be simple, nourishing, and easy to integrate into a busy lifestyle, which makes long term consistency much easier. And since it's a digital download, you can access the ebook instantly and start applying the ideas right away at your own pace. If you're looking for a more balanced and realistic way to support your body through nutrition, this is definitely worth checking out. You'll find hormone balancing recipes for women in the description. Take a look and see if it fits your routine.